Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking one pot Asian style spicy seafood platter. So let's start cooking. Now we put the dish together. I'm using a 32cm galactic wok from Gourmet. This is excellent for cooking shellfish, crabs because of its non-scratch surface. Heat up your wok. Put in a good amount of oil. Swirl the oil around a little bit. We'll add in our sliced ginger. 1 thumb size of ginger, sliced thinly like this, put it in. 3 stalks of spring onion, using only the white stem, cut into half, put it into. We'll just fry them a little bit until we can really smell them. When you can start to smell them, we'll add in our garlic. 4 cloves of garlic chopped, put it in. 10 pieces of dried chili, which I've soaked and hydrated, put it in. If you like it spicier, you can use more chili or less spicy. You can reduce the chili, no problem. I've deseeded my chili because I don't want the heat to linger. I just want it to have a little bit of spiciness. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of Szechuan pepper. Fry it up. Now we'll add in our doubanjiang or spicy broad bean paste. 2 tablespoons of it. Put it in. Fry it out a little bit. Mix it up well. Now we're adding 1 liter of water. And add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now we're adding 1 whole carrot cut into chunks like this, as well as 3 potatoes cut into slices like this. Put them all in. Add in also 1 whole corn, which I've cut into slices like this. Put them all in. Stir them up a little bit. Put the lid on, and we'll cook this for 10 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Right. Smells really good. We'll now add in our crabs. 800 grams of crabs cut into pieces like this. Just put them in. If you want to know how to clean them, I'll provide a link in the description box so you can click and know how to do this. Put the cover back on. We'll cook this for about 5 minutes before we add in our prawns. I'll show you how I do it in a while. 5 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Nice. We'll add in our prawns now. 360 grams of prawns. Put them all in. Of course, if you want to add more, just feel free to add more. Put the lid back on. We'll let this steam for another 4 minutes before we add in our clams and mussels. I'll see you back in a while. 4 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Right, this is almost done and it smells really good. Just push all this aside. We are now going to add in our clams as well as our mussels. 450 grams of mussels. These are cooked mussels, so we just need to heat it out a little bit. Put them all in. And add in also 450 grams of clams. These are also cooked clams. Just put them all in. This is a very easy dish to assemble as well as to cook. Now put the lid back on. And we'll just need to cook this for another minute or so. I'll see you back in a while. 1 minute is up. Let's have a look. Perfect. Now all we have to do is just thicken the sauce up a little bit with cornstarch solution. Thicken it up to the consistency that you like. Just pour in a little bit and just move the sauce around a little bit carefully. Alright. Top it up with some cut up spring onion, and it's time for our Christmas lunch. Maybe a prawn, a claw, potato. Let's try the potato first. Very, very tender. It's almost like mashed potato. Very, very soft, and it absorbs the taste beautifully. The clams, love it. Prawns. Oh, crunchy, fresh, and very sweet, with a hint of spiciness. Best part. Oh, love crab so much. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. See you, bye bye, and Merry Christmas.